So guys, this is going to be our movement for the day on New Zealand dollar JPY. So let's start with our trend first and first. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend of Nvidia and New Zealand dollar. So first and first, you can take a look at this New Zealand dollar JPY. We are in an uptrend. This is a full trend, right? We are very much trending to the market is trending to the, as you can see, a series of higher high and higher low, right? So this is a clear bullish move. Now, I like this key level, which is a support level, which is also a rejection zone. So market was able to give us a pullback and rejected from this level. Markets eventually push up again and then came back to test this level. And guess what market did? It gave us a multiple rejection this level. The market eventually pushed up one more time. Then it came back again, came close to this level. And guess what? We had a candlestick which is a rejection. And now market eventually right. So market has now given us one more push up, which is a bullish move. So this is to tell you that this is an indication that market is what pushing inside. So this is to tell you that this is in a bullish move on the dollar. Now let's go down to our 4-hour time frame. So this is it right on our 4-hour time frame. You can clearly see the trend. We are in an uptrend move. So this is our first high, and here comes the higher low, right? Markets then did give us a new high, which is a new higher high. And here comes the higher low. Market then push up one more time to form a new higher high. And here comes the higher low, right? Now after the higher low, we should be expecting market to push up to its form, so it is able to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, we will be anticipating for a continuous bullish move till market is able to cover this high, thereby forming a new high. So guys, what we will be expecting or what we will be anticipating for on New Zealand dollar JPY be a bullish move. So we should be expecting a bullish move for New Zealand dollar JPY. If in case there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you know. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on